G'day everyone, welcome to another episode of Empress Sailing. We are her crew, Rochelle, Katran, Fleur and Anouk. Join us as we continue our journey to get to know and fall in love with our new Contest 36 named Empress. Be part of our adventure. We hope you enjoy our videos. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, comment, and don't forget to leave a like.
Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Empress Sailing. This episode we spent 2 weeks in La Rochelle waiting for a weather window, as it is very windy and wet out here. We check out La Rochelle and especially for Chris, we show you what we eat. Alright, enjoy this episode.
The tray, just put it in the wooden board.
Let us have a look. Here, you can bring it over here. Oi. Da, 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 da.
The flat pits are the marshmallows.
Oh, I was about to ask where is the marshmallow?
What do you reckon? Nook looks pretty good.
Yeah.
So I've been busy all day with setting up the spinnaker pole as a whisker pole. So we can pull out the jib. And this is the result. We've got a topping lift. It's a Anouk put up. We've got a fore guy and after guy. Now we can clip in the head sail sheet, the general sheet, into the end of the pole, and we can pull out the jib.
I'm gonna go all the way to the top of the mast.
Wait, tell me it again.
I'm gonna go all the way up to the mast. Straight like every half a meter.
In the little grooves.
Yep. And then I'm gonna like sort of slide down.
Yeah, so like mush it through the groove.
This is where I need this. Like this. I click it.
You don't have a self-telling means you don't have a clutch. So if you let go of the rope, then the suddenly Anouk falls down all the way. You don't want that. So you faint.
Oh, I don't like that.
So that's why Papa will secure the rope. So if Mommy lets go accidentally, then Papa has to be attached. Put the slide in
The groove.
you get the winch handle out there, Mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah, stand on your feet like this.
Hey.
Let me through. Interview.
That's right.
How was it?
Good.
I put a microphone.
It was fun. It wasn't bad.
And how did the spraying go?
Good. I'm gonna look at the beautiful station.
Wow, cool. Beautiful.
Now we're going back to
I'm fitting some securing points for the lifelines in the boat. We don't have anything like that in the cockpit, and I don't want to secure to the pedestal. So I'm just putting some U-bolts in the rated U-bolts in the cockpit. So I've got one here behind the steering wheel. And I've got one there near the cockpit opening. So yeah, cool job. So I'm countersinking the hose, and I'm using a bit of butyl tape to seal it off so I don't get any water in. Well, that's it installed, and luckily it just clears the handle. Whoops, didn't check that before I positioned it, but it works, so I've got that strong point.
Wow, that looks yummy. Strawberry. Big strawberry. It's my own pocket money. There we go. I finally picked it up.
Enjoy that. Wow, that's massive.
Oh
So, on our way to the city. Gone for a walk, girls are at home, playing on Roblox, and we're Saturday go for a walk.
Yeah.
So we got up really early this morning to babe out the doggies. They're leaving today. We're gonna go continue to Spain, and we're gonna stay here. So yeah, bye bye doggies. And Anouk found a new favorite spot.
On the bill.
Uh-huh.
On the bill.
On the bill. Doei doei!
Ja, dat is uitzwaaien.
Doe mij ook.
Hey, jullie ook doen.
See you guys. A nice trip. Well done. Bye bye. Yes, have a good trip. See ya. Bye Annika. Bye Michael. See you mate. So that's Annika and Michael gone. Doggies are on their way to Spain. Yeah, bit sad. They're such good friends. Such a nice time with them. Thank you very much, Annika and Michael, for the lovely time we could spend together, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in the bed. Right. And this is my breakfast for today. Chris, there you go. And tonight we're eating a mash of carrot, sweet potato and potato with vegetarian chicken nuggets.
Power mash. Yay.
Bon appetit, Chris. So today is another day of strong wind. Had up to 40 knots yesterday. Today it's going to be 35 knots or something like that. Yeah, it's another day inside doing other things than sailing. Area vandaag.